Nothing. All you did was give me a ton of ammunition to now hire the proper people to seek you out, to drag you in and out of courtrooms, put your body through a lot of stress, a lot of pain, a lot of anguish that you're going to go through. And there's no way to control it, no way to stop it. You signed literally your own death warrant. Mr. Williams doesn't know, but we contacted your social worker. We also reached out to the city, in City Hall, about that building, because the managers in that building refused to listen to us. So we went over their heads. We went through Section 8, and we went through Housing Authority. I have them reaching out to me tomorrow about your problem. We have now been about to file a lawsuit against the city of Baltimore, because the building is owned by the city, and that's where the lawsuits are going to hit. You got me paid. So my sister's following. Could you send her stuff? I'm following. Could you send me stuff? And the funeral home that you use their address, that send the half-naked pictures on, they're going to file a lawsuit. And all three of those lawsuits are going to hit the city of Baltimore, courtesy of Mr. Williams. And because that the managers didn't do anything about it, because we were in touch with them and we did tell them that, they're going to be terminated. And they also have lawsuits that will follow along with them too. Mr. Williams? Well, Williams is going to spend the rest of his life in jail. Funeral home's going to press charges, identity theft, cyber crimes. I'm definitely pressing charges. My sister's going to press charges. And now the building's going to be under investigation. All the managers will be under investigation, and so will Mr. Williams. My sister's making contact with your social worker, Mr. Williams. She's going to find your social worker. She's going to send up some of the pictures and stuff that she's received from you. Your benefits are about to be terminated. It ain't the worst of it. You're being sued. You don't have money. So I don't know how that's going to work. I knew one thing, we're going to hit the city for that nonsense. She was the one that found out that the building was under Section 8. Yeah, it's a Section 8 building. They also used the manager's name. Daryl used his name when you sent his emails. We all sent that back to him. So she's sending some of those pictures that you sent to her. She's sending that straight to your social worker. She found your social worker, by the way. I'll tell you, she's worked for the system. So your managers, the minute they got wind that you were doing this stuff, were supposed to contact your social worker, which they failed to do. We have a ton of emails going back and forth to this private email account, explaining, showing pictures that he was well aware of the actions that were going on. So they're liable. I had to go through legal too, which I also reached out to. Legal, explaining to them at the end of the day that we are suing them. So, since that building does fall in the city, the city's liable for the lawsuit. And the lawsuit's not going to be cheap, by the way. It's going to be up there. We got a lot of stuff on the plate. I see a psychiatrist, so that's mental anguish, mental stress, all that. Oh, yeah, I'm going to clean the clock. This is going to be bad. You know, it's way up there. And then you turned around and you used a funeral parlor. You used their address. Now, imagine if somebody took that information, got mad, and posted it. Oh, by the way, I put something in about your building a few minutes ago with some documents. So it is going to get to Section 8 and also to Housing Authority over that building. So, yeah, it's not going to go well. Now, once they're finished with all that, and we get all that done, rounded up, they will come to Baltimore. I'm going to be following charges with the Baltimore police to get a warrant for your arrest. So that's that, Mr. Williams. Well, they're going back because he was in prison at one point. He is definitely going back. Boy, you guys mess up so badly. Like, you really don't want life, do you? Just constantly messing up your lives. Well, I'm going to move on to my next level. As I said before, McAfee, we will be in touch with you so you know that we have not forgot about you. Mr. Matthew, we've been documenting some stuff on you too. Also, too, you wanted to get some false demonstrations against my company within statute of limitations. I can still get you under fraud. I can still get you under that. There's another one too. There's a bunch of them. But we'll get you all rounded up. I guarantee you. And you won't be having that conversation with me. You'll be speaking to my attorney. They're not very nice, just to let you know. They're a bit pit bulls. Their goal is when they get you in that courtroom, is two things. They want to take everything from you and they want you to serve some kind of jail time. So let me explain something to you. If you haven't been in the system, and you sit at the end of the day and think, I got a year, trust me, a year is the worst you can get. I ain't trying to scare you, but there's some people don't make it on the first day.